You know, you would have thought that Donald Trump would have gone down on James Comey like he was Bubba after Comey handed him the election 11 days before, announcing that there was a laptop found with Hillary Clinton's emails, further engendering distrust, unfortunately, in 2016. But no, Comey wasn't going to be Trump's BITCH as director of the FBI. He showed him that the FBI is an independent agency which is supposed to investigate crimes. Now, he was heading up the investigation into the connection between the Trump administration and Russia, and which Trump always refers to as the Russian hoax. But there is more to that than anyone is letting on, and certainly the investigation did not exonerate Russia. I mean, it showed that they put their finger on the scale in order to get Trump elected, manipulating American voters. But now what do we have? We have Trump now controlling the Department of Justice and bringing in someone who totally inexperienced in prosecution, an insurance defense attorney who has no idea what she's doing in court and is now lying to a federal judge and saying that she got an indictment when all she showed the indictment to was one or two people, including the grand jury foreperson. This is perjury. This is something that can get attorneys disbarred. And Trump has made no mistake about him demanding that Pam Bondi bring in someone who is totally inexperienced, because the career prosecutors, they weren't going to stand behind this prosecution, because what did Comey do? He's testifying before Congress. He gives his best recollection. There might be some gray area in his response, but he didn't commit perjury in front of Congress when he testified. And certainly they don't have the evidence for it. So what's likely to happen is Lindsey Halligan's going to be brought up for state bar charges. Attorneys cannot go in and have knowingly perjured documents before a court, especially on an indictment, no matter who is pulling the strings. While Trump may be absolved of criminal conduct, the people in his administration are not. So Pam Bondi needs to watch herself in this situation, because what is being done here is a miscarriage of justice. And James Comey has great experienced lawyers, and this just goes to show, if you have a good case, you need to bring in experienced attorneys. If you have a bad case, experienced attorneys are going to tell you, don't bring it, and maybe you should listen.